Hello Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Leo, pauna mensahe ninyo. We have 5 of swords, which is really good, no? Kasi kung meron man kayong away or hindi pagkakaintindihan with another person or with a group of people, this is the period wherein you're going to enter a compromise. There would be solutions to your conflict na. There will be reconciliation kung meron mang hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan with them. You're going to move on from that kung ano man yan, and you are going to reconcile with these people. Okay? What else, Leo? We have magician energy. So this is a manifestation energy. Now you are about to manifest whatever it is na ine-envision ninyo for yourself. You're going to manifest whatever it is that you desire, no? Yung ganon. So this is really beautiful kasi finally tatayo na kayo sa inyong mga paa. You're going to start to manifest or mag-take action para makuha ninyo kung ano man yung hinahangad ninyo, kung ano man yung mga dreams ninyo. You're going to work on it. We have number 8, strength. And you just need to activate your inner strength. You just need to be courageous and brave sa pagharap ninyo sa hamon ng buhay, kasi wala namang journey na magaan, 'di ba? Walang journey na perfect, no? Walang journey na perfect. Kaya laging at some point there is going to be obstacles, hardships, difficulties na maaaring maranasan natin, and that is normal. That is part of life. That is part of the journey, no? Kaya kailangan lang dito na magpakatatag kayo, be confident and courageous, no? Kailangan natin yan. What else? We have judgment. And so there is an important decision that you are facing. Kaya kailangan na maging kayo sa ngayon, no? Leo, maging matatag kayo. Tibayan ninyo ang inyong loob kasi meron kayong desisyon na kailangang harapin, gawin sa ngayon. Maari yung decision making na yan matagal nang nandiyan pabalik-balik na lang, but maaring hindi ninyo matuluyang pagdesisyonan. So, it is an important judgment call para sa inyo sa ngayon. Natutukan nyo na yan, bigyan nyo na ng oras, panahon, atensyon, at pag-isipan nyo na kung ano ang desisyon ninyo dyan. We have 7 of cups. Ayan. So, may mga offers sa inyo, may mga opportunities and possibilities na kumakatok, no, sa buhay ninyo at this time. So, mahalaga na pag-isipan ninyo mabuti, look into it ng mabuti para makapamili kayo ng mas mabuti, mas maganda, no, mas maayos. And maaari din na kailangan ninyo dito na makinig sa inyong intuition at sundin ninyo ang inyong intuition kung anong bulong nito, so that you'd be able to figure out, no, kung ano ang best para sa iyo, ano yung tama ninyong piliin. We have 2 of cups, may partnership dito. Meron ditong tutulong sa inyo, Leo. Maaring tutulong sa inyo in the sense na mag-encourage siguro sa inyo, magbibigay ng input, no, regarding this opportunity. So, maaring ganun ang ganap dyan. We have the Lovers energy. Ayan, so there could be conflict, no? Maaari talaga na meron ditong hindi pa rin pagkakaintindihan, pero pick up ko dito, maaaring yung lovers na to related dito sa 5 of Swords. Baka ito yun, kung sino yung kagalat ninyo dito, kung sino yung hindi ninyo naiintindihan, or kung sino yung nagkaroon kayo ng rough patch. Maaaring yung person ninyo yan, no? Maaaring person ninyo, kaibigan ninyo, kapamilya. So, depende sa kung sino man ang yung karelasyon ninyo, no, na meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan. Kasi yung relationship naman, hindi lang love and romantic relationship. It could be the relationship with your friend, relationship with your katrabaho or your relationship with your parents or with your siblings, maaring doon nanggagaling, no, yung problema ninyo. Pero, ano na kayo magkakausap na kayo with the Five of Swords energy, may solusyon na dito sa conflict ninyo. Kaya kung sino man ito, kamag-anak nyo man, mahal nyo naman, at alam mo yun, yung partner naman ninyo yan, asawa, or kaibigan, no, na meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan, you will enter a compromise. Magkakaroon kayo ng siguro masinsinang pag-uusap, no? We have Queen of Wands, and you're going for whatever it is that you are envisioning for yourself, Leo. With the Queen of Wands, gagawin ninyo ang lahat. No? You're going to do anything and everything in your power para magawa ninyo kung ano ang gusto ninyong gawin, magawa ninyo kung ano ang dapat ninyong gawin. No? So, Leo, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.